Hello everyone, we are from Group 4, Section A07. That was Shivam, and that is me, Ferdinand. This is Jenny, and lastly, this is Gia. In this video, we will show you the process of roasting and brewing coffee from our last design competition. The very first step is to choose what type of beans that we're going to use. And for this lab, we choose the Columbia beans. For a dark roast, we are using a 999 settings, which 9 for power, 9 for fan, and 9 minutes for the time.
For making this coffee, we're using 1070 grams of hot water, 60 grams of roasted beans, and all of this produces 1 grams of chaff, 5 grams of clean air, 9 grams of gas evaporated, and a roughly 200 grams of moist ground. And here is our process flow diagram that roughly summarizes all of the process.
For the data, the grinder uses less than 0.01 kWh, which means it only uses very little energy that the machine almost could not detect it. And then, we use 0.13 kWh of electricity for heating the water. And lastly, the process that uses the most energy will be the roasting, at 0.152 kWh. As we are chemical engineers, we need to understand the energy usage and the logic for minimalization. Mr. Coffee uses a lot more energy than only brewing water. Hence, our group decided to use either a carafe or French press method as it consumes less energy.
For this brewing, we got the TDS of 1.03 and the PE can be calculated from the TDS times mass of brew per mass of dry grounds, and we got 15.98 of PE.
Alright, now let's see how it tastes. As it was a dark roast coffee, it gave a strong nice aroma of a slightly bitter coffee. The taste was less acidic and a little more bitter with a hint of nuttiness. It also gave a sweet and less to no estrogen aftertaste. For the blind testing, we were placed exactly in the middle, as it seems that our coffee tasted kind of average for most people. Despite our loss, we realized that it was probably due to the instability of the French press method and the lack of trial and error on our part. For future improvements, it will be good to experience more with different roasting settings and brewing methods too. It will be better if we could find a specific method that can be used to produce consistent results every time, because our French press trial on Lab 11 was very good, but it was not as good during the competition as we scaled up the production to 1 liter of coffee.
Alright, that's all from us. Thank you!